This short video demonstrates how to provision FortiSIEM Cloud. After registering your code in the customer portal, log into fortisiem.forticloud.com using your username and password. After logging in, the portal displays your instance, where you can start the provisioning process. You will be able to see the serial number and choose the deployment type, either enterprise or service provider. Next, set up the console password and select the desired region. Optionally, you can restrict access to the FortiSIEM Cloud console by specifying particular IP address. Finally, confirm the details and click OK. The status will then update to initializing. Provisioning the instance will run in the background for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. When the status updates to complete, it indicates the instance is created and ready. Next, I will select the instance and click Manage, where you can see all relevant information such as the region, supervisor FQDN, online storage, audit information, and archive storage. Next, I will go back to top and click the serial number link, which will open the FortiSIEM Cloud instance, where I will log in using the credentials. As you can see, these steps make provisioning a FortiSIEM Cloud instance quite straightforward. Thanks for watching.